May sugat kuya. Teka. Ah.
Baliktad mo lang siya. Excuse mama. Baliktad mo lang.
Kuya, tanggalin mo muna yung carrier po. Ayan, tanggalin mo yung ibababa. Baba may carrier.
Hindi pasok mo dito.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my goodness, someone do this to him.
Wait.
Kunan mo na siya. Titimbangin ko na lang din siya. Sorry. Ay, I'm so sorry. I don't want to waste. Sorry. It's, naka-pounds kuya. Sorry.
Angat.
Iningatan ko siya eh. Sorry. So, it's 4.7. Okay. Okay, baby ha.